In hygienic industries such as food processing, hand protection is essential, and the gloves used cannot be allowed to shed fibres. Tuffshield HPPE fibre gloves from Honeywell are both cut resistant and have low linting properties. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Tuffshield gloves are based on the proprietary engineered fibre process made with HPPE and abrasion-resistant filament around a fiberglass core. Now, as a result, the gloves are lightweight, low linting and don't easily absorb liquids. This lightweight, flexible and breathable material is combined with ergonomic design and a wide range of sizes to create gloves that fit perfectly and can be worn for hours on end. And protection is assured with their Cut 5 rating according to the EN 388 standard. They're rounded off with a patented power cuff system that prevents cuff roll down and blowout from repeated laundering. There's more information. Find out at all of W's honeywellsafety.com or call Honeywell Safety Products on 1300 139 166. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.